Hello, today in our lesson we are going to look at the concept of proportion. To do this, we're going to remember how to write a fraction and perform an action. If I write down 2/4 of a fraction, then I can reduce the fraction. In order to reduce the fraction, I must divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. 2 and 4 can be divided by 2. The result will be a new fraction. 1, 2. Here is another example. Let's write down the fraction 3/5. If I multiply the numerator and denominator of this fraction by 6, the result is the following fraction. 3 times 6, 18. And 5 times 6, 30. You and I can reduce the fraction. To do this, we need to divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. Or if we need to, we can multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. And in doing so, equality is preserved. 2/4 is half. 1/2 is also half. Let's look at the ratio of 2 to 4. And the ratio of the numbers 1 and 2. These ratios are equal to each other. In the second example, the ratio of the numbers 3/5 and 18/30 are also equal. Hence, we call these two equalities proportions. A proportion can be written in more than just this form. I can replace the division sign with the following symbol. 2. 4 equals 1 to 2. In the next example, 3 to 5 equals 18 to 30. So we can write the proportion using letters. Let's write it down. A divided by B equals C divided by D. Or A divided by B equals C divided by D. And proportions have a wonderful property that allows you to determine whether a given equality is a proportion or not. The product is equal to the product of extremes. Let's use this property. I'm going to write down our proportion again. 2 to 4 equals 1 to 2. This property tells me that if I multiply 2 by 2, it must equal 1 times 4. Indeed, 2 times 2 is 4, and 1 times 4 is 4. This equality is a proportion. And now, let's look at the second example. 3 times 30 equals 5 times 18. 3 times 30, 90, and 5 times 18, 90. 90 equals 90. Then this equality is a proportion. In the next lesson, using our property, we will learn how to determine whether or not our equality is a proportion. And that's all for today. Goodbye. See you again.